So a little while ago, I bought a watch band for my Apple Watch in this orange, okay? It looks official, but it is not. It is a very, very functional, very nice, very well-made option. And the company liked my review, so they sent me, or they asked if I wanted to do a review of another one. So I got this one right here. It's the orange. I'm not quite sure what the color is. It's not a white. It's more of a tan, and it's got black hardware. So I really like it because I love orange, but sometimes the silver hardware isn't what I want, and I also want the option to have different colors. So that the way that this works, it's very straightforward. There is a little nub right there that is on the watch itself that you push, and it just slides right out. And then this piece slides in and it clicks in place. It's very nice, no smell to it, very well constructed. And then you take this little black oval and it actually splits. Okay, so it splits, right? It's spring loaded. I'm trying to show you here. I don't know why I've got it so close to my face. It's spring loaded. So then you adjust where on the band you want it to be for the size of your wrist. So it's not one size only. This is a one size fits all product, and the black hardware looks really good. I think this is the Moon Rock colorway. I can't remember what colorway that I asked for in here, but I really like the color and the black. It's gonna go really well with different outfits. The orange is a little wild, a little bright for like a wedding or a nice date, right? The white or the grayish white, tannish white is a little bit more subtle, which is the reason why I chose this colorway. Yeah, thanks again to the seller for sending me this product to review. I'm gonna swap it out right now.